Hi, I'm Kirsten. I've been a fountain pen user for a very long while and have bought and tried a huge variety of pens. In this video, I'm going to show you my top 6 fountain pens, running from the cheapest to the most expensive, and give you the reasons why they are my favourites. This is number 6 on my list, the Platinum Preppy. I love these so much that I have over 50 of them, with a variety of inks inside. They come in a variety of nib sizes, and as they are Japanese nibs, they tend to run a bit narrower than European sizes. They have a very satisfying click noise when you take them on and off, and the nib says the size. This is 02, which is the extra fine nib. The Platinum Preppy has lots of platinum cartridges that fit inside in a variety of colours. They are also incredibly easy to refill using a syringe. That's my preferred method, as I can use bottled ink and fill it up with whichever colour I like. The Platinum Preppy is a very lightweight pen, which means it's perfect for carrying around with you, in your pocket, in your bag, wherever you want to go. The whole pen is under £5 and that comes with an ink cartridge inside. It is very durable and there's very little you can do to break this pen. Next on the list is the Pilot Kakuno. The Pilot Kakuno, like the Platinum Preppy, is another inexpensive fountain pen, retailing for around £10 depending on where you get it from. As for the Platinum Preppy, it has a click-off lid and a stainless steel nib. One of my favourite things about the nib is the little smiley face that's on it. I always think this is very cute. The Pilot Kakuno can either use the Pilot cartridges or you can get the Pilot converters, whereby you can fill it with bottled ink. Filling with bottled ink is my preferred method, as there is a much wider variety of inks on choice. The Pilot Kakunos come in a wide variety of colours. This one is the baby pink colourway. It also has a triangular grip section. This doesn't suit everybody, but I find it leads to a correct placement of your fingers for writing. Next on the list is the TWSBI Eco or Eco T. This retails for around £30 depending on where you buy it from. It has a screw lid and an incredibly beautiful nib. The nib is made from stainless steel and writes incredibly smoothly. The filling mechanism for this pen isn't a cartridge or a converter, it's a piston fill. To fill this pen, you dip it into the ink, twist, then twist back up again, and the pen is full. This is a really easy and clean method to start using bottled ink. The TWSBI Eco is the fountain pen that I recommend to all fountain pen newcomers. In fact, I've converted many people to using fountain pens through the TWSBI Eco. It writes like a significantly more expensive pen. Number 3 on the list is another TWSBI pen. This one is the TWSBI Classic. It has the same filling mechanism, so it is a piston fill pen, and the same nib. The difference is that this is weightier and has a better balance to it. When you write, you feel like you're holding a much more substantial pen, and it feels more solid overall. Previous models had issues with cracking in various parts of the barrel, but I've not experienced these issues, and I'm pretty sure that this issue has been resolved. This pen retails for slightly more than the TWSBI Eco. This one retails for around £55. Next on the list is a pen by one of my very favourite manufacturers, Sailar. This pen is the Sailar Pro Gear Slim, which is the baby counterpart to the Sailar Pro Gear. This pen retails for around £120. It has a screw lid and an absolutely stunning 14 karat gold nib. Sailors are renowned for the intricacy of their nibs, and it writes incredibly smoothly. It is a hard nib, and when you write with it, it has very little bounciness. It is very, very, very tough. The pen's big brother, the Sailar Pro Gear, is significantly bigger, and to go with that, more expensive. For my hands, I find the Slim much more comfortable to hold, especially when the pen is posted.
Put it up.
I've got more to say.
Oh, right, sorry, go on.
Sailar often introduces limited editions of these pens in a variety of colourways. This one, for example, is the Purple Cosmos, which was a special edition last year.
Say that again.
Yeah.
3, 2.
Sailar often introduces a number of different colourways for this pen. This pen is the Purple Cosmos, which was a special edition in 2018. The final pens on my list are the Pilot Capless or Pilot Vanishing Point series. These pens retail for around £149 and they have an 18 karat gold nib. These pens are among my very favourite pens due to the click mechanism to reveal the nib. This means that they are perfect for taking around with you and for taking quick, short style notes. These pens can be filled using a converter so that you can use whichever bottled ink you desire. You can also use one of Pilot's own brand cartridges. The nib on these pens is very smooth. Even the extra fine nib is significantly smoother than most other Japanese extra fine pens. This pen is the Sailar Pro Gear. This pen is the Sailar Pro Gear Slim, which is. This pen is the Sailar Pro Gear Slim.
Do it again. Like you can actually speak.
I can't say it.